Look at that plane, that kid. So we're in Hamleys.
Hamleys toy shop. Hamleys.
And we're buying something for Nene. So let's find something. Yeah, that's it. First thing we see.
I don't know.
Buy it. What's your budget? Because in this shop it's pretty... 13 quid, 24 bucks.
He loves cutting.
Does he? He's got a bear though.
He's got bloody.
Yeah, this one's got boots. It's only 21. 27.
27.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's got a to and from on it.
Oh, that's cute.
I'll put some money in. So he has something in the morning.
That's not the only thing I'm getting. I'm getting something else.
We'll just get him one thing because he's a little bastard. PB, Pattern Bear. Little Wellington boots. Yeah, that one's got no boots. It's weird.
Fine. Buy boots.
You can buy this one. Alright, we can find more.
$60 for bloody.
Are you
doll.
serious? 60 bucks.
Yeah, 27 pounds is 60 Australian dollars.
You want to keep looking?
Yeah. I think we'll come back.
It's at the end of it. We'll find it. Wow, that's a lot of money. What about an I Love London bear? 10 bucks. Boss. Big remote control truck, because that's what he kept asking for. Remember when he was asking for the high...
Yeah, that's what I
the
look for. Oh my god.
Selfie time. Come on, Kimberly. Oh, ha, ha, ha. Oh, it moves. Oh, ha, 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 ha.
Oh, he's cuddly.
He is nice. He's probably about $7,000. Oh, that's what he wants.
Oh, not that one.
45 bucks.
He wants the rocket
Here's
one.
the other one.
No, he wants one that's a jet. Something.
What about a pig? Let's go.
Alright, let's go upstairs.
This is an awesome place. Star Wars downstairs.
Yeah, no Star Wars. Oh god.
Some pens. Some glitter. Oh, there you go. There's a crystal ball one. 25 quid. Man, is anything under $1 million here?
Yeah, it's Hamleys.
Oh, you want some more? 10 bucks.
So,
No, they're not 10 pounds.
Oh, you want it?
Yeah, bananas.
Get one of each.
I want the ice cream.
Yeah, one of each. Or ice cream. That one and that one. We'll figure on the way out.
but you don't do it. Never like this, guys. Always comes.
Always on its side. Wow.
I think there's another
This
toy
toy
store.
shop is awesome.
It's cheap.
Alright, they're all on the bus together. This is a kid's dream.
It is a kid's dream. It's very expensive.
It is a very expensive kid's dream. Harry Potter.
Alright, these little kids.
This is babies. Do we go further?
Yeah, that one.
Up 1 to 2. There's a ball pen. We can get him a ball pen.
Oh, he loved that. Only 28 pounds. It's on sale.
It's on sale. There you go.
On sale.
Dragon bears. £10 on
Oh,
sale.
yeah, like that. That's what I get.
Get him
Bottom
a...
section.
Oh God, could you would never leave.
We up again?
Yeah, we go up again. This is all girls. You would never ever leave
Autumn's Dream. LOL dolls.
the place. This is insane. Right, we're in sort of native territory.
We're in sort of, yeah.
What about shoes? Roller shoes. Alright. I'm gonna bring my kids here one day. This is amazing. Watch out, don't get hit. Ah! Fortnite. Hamleys Monopoly. There you go, Kim. A boat. And he's got to build them. What about figurines? Does he like figurines? Figurines to figure.
International warranty. Doesn't go above the hover height. It won't break any glass or window.
This is, but it's like a better. There you go, soccer ball. He can play inside.
He's got one.
Great shot. There's more to go up.
Oh my god.
What do you want to make him? Oh, look, Power Ranger, 2150. Power Ranger. Iron Man. We can bring him here in the morning.
A few bits and pieces for him for the morning. I just don't know what.
Air hockey table.
Yeah.
That's this one, so you can set it up on any table.
What about a Big Ben? Big Ben? He would love a Big Ben.
I have no idea.
A muffin and coffee, £5. Oh my god, that's what he wants. That just flew over my head.
Not that one, but he wants something like that.
This shop is amazing. I think we're as high as we can almost be. I think I'm getting a nosebleed. We're that high.
We are super high.
50 quid. What, the army one?
Yeah.
Look, there's a Nerf gun trial section. If you want to have a bit of a Nerf. Nerf for nothing. Alright, where...
Alright, so that's cheaper in Harrods, so better buy it in Harrods.
Well, how much is it in Harrods?
It's $49, but you get the second one half price.
Oh, okay, that's better. Oh, look at that. There's a squid in there. Oh, look.
There's 60 chips inside, all easy but these ones down there are just...
Is that for Norman?
No, Nate.
The bar and the ticket.
You probably love it, but...
You reckon, picture with the Queen, you reckon she's happy?
Yeah.
No, I reckon you're weird. Right, so we haven't found much in
Nothing, yeah, nothing.
Hamleys. We found a lot of cool stuff. We almost got a drink, but yeah,
Nothing we can afford.
there's nothing we can afford. It's too expensive. But it's a pretty cool place, and it's an amazing place if you're a kid.
So we're off to somewhere else.
So we're off to Harrods.
Well, yeah, we've got to find somewhere else. I'm just trying to Google.
We haven't got much
stores.
time, so we're just running around London trying to find something for Nene, and we got to get it done now.
Ow.
No, I'm not scared. What? Is there anything? It's there. Oh my god, that thing. Kim, this way's down. By 2.
Yeah.
Oh my god, isn't it by 1 at Harrods?
Yeah, get one half price.
Can't walk on escalator. So now we're gonna.
We'll just go to Harrods because I know
Harrods.
he wants that, so I'll get him that.
We'll go to Harrods. Harrods it is. Alright, on the way.
And then I'll just have to see if I can get something else to run.
Yeah, like a milkshake
Like a milkshake.
or something.
Or something in Harrods.
Something he's going to have to just deal with.
Yeah, so we're going to
Alright.
get Harrods in an hour and a half.
Can we make it?
Oh, I hope so. Pressure's on. Unless we're buying some girly stuff.
He likes girly stuff. The Peppa Pig?
We're coming back tomorrow with Autumn. Oh my god, she'll be in her element.
We're going to be here a long, long
Lisa's
time.
a milkshake place upstairs.
Milkshake
A
place,
crepe place
waffles
downstairs.
and crepes at the bottom.
Yeah,
Oh my god, this place has everything.
not a coffee shop.
It just needs a bar.
Yeah, bar for mum and dad.
Bar for mum and dad, and then we're pretty much sorted.
Sorted.
Sorted. All right, let's go, Harrods.